Do you remember the early days of the pandemic when we were telling the people who had to go and staff grocery stores or go work in meat packing plants that they were essential workers? You're vital cogs in our economic machine, and we can't do this without you, so y'all have to come to work, even though we're in the beginning stages of a deadly pandemic. Well, new studies have been done and shows that the first year of the pandemic, 68% of the people who died from COVID in year one, when we did actually have, things shut down, everybody had to stay home, mass social distancing and the like, 68% of the deaths were low-income service and retail workers. 68% of the deaths, low-income service and retail, and of course, factory workers. That is mind-blowing. But at the same time that it's mind-blowing, it's also not surprising. Right? These are the people, again, we're talking people working in retail. We're talking about people working in grocery stores, people in meat packing plants, which I think industry by industry had the highest death rate of COVID. And of course, they were all people who were lower down, according to this report, on the socioeconomic ladder. They were low-income people. But we promised them, you're essential. We can't do this without you. You are the engine driving our economy. And they are. But we just let them die. Because we as a country, corporations, didn't care. Because, oh no, we lost one checkout clerk. Well, hey, don't worry, we can find another 15-year-old to staff that position. We'll be okay. Oh no, we just lost half of our meat packing plant. Don't worry, we'll post some new job openings, maybe up the pay by $1 or $2 an hour. We'll bring in new people. You are expendable labor for these corporations. And to a degree, to the federal government as well. Yes, you're the essential cogs in the machine. We can't do it without you, but we're damn sure not going to give you any protections, and this study proves it. And of course, simple things could have made this a lot easier. Paid sick leave. Because some of the problem was that you had people that couldn't afford to take time off work. Sure, maybe they had a mild version of COVID, like, yeah, I'm not feeling too great, but I'm good enough to go to work. Because I can't lose that money. If I knew I could take the day off and get paid, I wouldn't go in. That's not the employee's fault, by the way. That's the corporation's fault. Then, of course, you had poor ventilation in these areas where they were working, allowing the virus to spread. They didn't have protections for these workers. They couldn't always socially distance. They were around lots of people. Whatever it is, low-income people suffered the most. And that, of course, is why in year 2, and now, of course, in year 3, they're like, screw it, everybody get back to work. Nothing matters. Because they don't care about you. If you live or die, it doesn't matter to them. Right? The folks at the top, they've got what they need. They're going to be just fine. But for the rest of you, you're expendable workers. And if you drop dead on the job, don't worry. They're going to find somebody really quick to replace you. This is Hattie. Hattie wants to know why you have not subscribed to our channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a favor and subscribe.